What's up everybody, welcome back to our channel, now my channel. Alright, today we have a chair. We're gonna do a chair dance. This is like 8/8 choreography, not really sure. So yeah, you can dance this one with high heels or stiletto shoes. But for this class, we don't want to wear heels. We just use rubber shoes. Okay, let's start. Alright everybody, so for this one you're gonna start on the right side of your chair. Turn around 2/8, quick count. So 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you rest this one. Imagine there's a person here. So 5, or there's so many desks. 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One more 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's very important your left knee are pointing up. Okay, 7, 8. Continue, go down on 1, 2, 3, 4. On the 5th, you're gonna flip your hair on 5, 6, 7, open on 8. Copy? That's easy. One more time. 5, 6, 7 from the top. 5, 6, 7, walk. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can flip your hair. 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, knee. 1, 2, 3, flip. 5, 6, 7, 8. So if you're a girl, you flip your hair. So from here in 1.2. This is fast. Step 3, 4. Point your toes, point your toes. This is 4. Look on 5, 6. Head on 7, 8. Continue 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. You get that one? That's very simple. Let's go from here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Flip 5, 6, 7, 8. Point 1, 2, 3, 4. Point your toes. 5, 6. Head 7, 8. Continue down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. This is simple. Go up on 1, 2, 3, 4. Down 5, 6, 7. Down on 8. Okay. That's simple. Continue. Go up on 1, 2. You gotta move on hip 3, 4. 6, 7. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6. This is 7 and 8. One more time. What's the last step? Now here. Lift 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. That's the count. Copy? From the top first. Go 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Flip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next. So from here, 7, 8 down. 1. Turn around 2, 3, 4. Make sure you sit 5, 6, 7. Open on 8. So just basically turn and sit. 7 and 8. Okay? Next. You're gonna close on 1, 2, 3, 4. Copy? Then 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's very important. From here, 7, 8. After you turn, walk 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, down 1, 2, 3, 4. Down on 5, 6, 7, 8. Continue. 1, 2, 3, 4. Open on 5. Close on 6. Head 7 and 8. Yes. Last 2 8s. Let's start from here. So 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head 7 and 8. Last 2 8. From here, you're gonna go up. Chest 1 and 2, 3, 4. Up 5, 6. Down 7, 8. Continue on 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Let's go on. This is extra. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. Last step. 1, 2, 3, 4. Suppose 5. This is 5, 6. Reach on 7, 8, and athlete. Sit and finish. All right. Let's clarify that one. Go from here. So 5, 6, 7, 8 chest. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Turn. 1, 2, in 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go 7, 8. And ad lib. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And any pose you like. Yeah. Good job. Let's try everything from the beginning, non-stop. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 2, 2, 5, 6, 7, and then 1, 2, 3. Flip your hip. 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Look. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Head. Here we go. 1 and 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Lift. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. Abdin. 5, 6, 7, 8. Yes. Good job. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Hope you like the choreography. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comments on our video. Okay? I'll see you. Bye bye.